Okay guys, since my memory in my phone is really short, this is just gonna be a short video on what's gonna happen, okay? What's happening. As you can see guys, that everything is, it's this Wednesday, everything's normal. Club time. Open. Hi Mark.
Are you recording?
Yeah, just in case.
In vertical?
Wait. Okay.
God damn it.
Hi, this is Edwin.
Don't take vertical video.
Mother of God, why not vertical? Hi, Joven. And everyone's having a basketball court. Ah, my God. What the hell are you doing, Joven?
This is the
Stop, Joven. Okay.
Wait. Witness something random.
Club. Arts Club, I'm sorry. There's Rara.
taking video.
Yeah, Donut.
Taking a video.
Yeah, taking a video. And this is, yeah, Isaiah. Okay, time. Oh wait, I'm just gonna stop now.